Multiple brands to launch smartphones in India. Today, smartphones have become an essential part of our lives. As technology evolves, smartphone manufacturers are ensuring that their products are updated according to ongoing market trends. In India, several well-known smartphone brands are set to launch new products in the coming days. These brands include Samsung, Realme, and HTech, among many others. Here are the top launches to look forward to. OnePlus Nord 4. OnePlus, the China-based electronics manufacturer, is set to launch its products in India on July 16th. The upcoming flagship includes the OnePlus Nord 4, which promises 4 years of Android updates and 6 years of security updates. The phone features a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset and a 6.74-inch 1.5K curved AMO LED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also boasts a 50MP dual rear camera setup and a battery life of 5,500 mAh. Samsung Galaxy M35. Samsung's new smartphone, the Galaxy M35, is set to be unveiled on July 17th in India. It features a triple rear camera setup and a vapor cooling chamber for gaming, along with a 6,000 mAh battery. The device will be available in a blue color variant and will be sold on Amazon during the upcoming Prime Day sale. Honor 200. The Honor 200 is scheduled to launch on July 18th. It features a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens, a 50MP selfie camera, and a 12MP macro camera. The phone also includes a 5,200 mAh battery and supports 100 watts fast charging. Realme 13 Pro series. Realme is set to launch its 13 Pro series, which includes the Realme 13 Pro and Realme 13 Pro Plus on July 30th in India. The smartphones will offer AI features for the camera, including AI Ultra Clarity, AI Audio Zoom, and AI Smart Removal. The Pro Plus model is expected to feature a 5,200 mAh battery that supports 80 watts fast charging, a 50MP triple rear camera setup, and a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset.